When I was your policy governor of Sokoto State in 2007, when I took over, I made two pronouncements. One, I pledged that I was going to run a government with listening ears, the government that has listened to the aspirations and yearnings of government and addressed them squarely and decisively. The second thing, I made a pronouncement that from that day, May 2007, the Sokoto State are nobody to be called non-indigenous. No matter where he or she is from, no matter what his or her religion, and up to date, nobody in Sokoto State is paying one kobo in any government school, primary secondary school, no matter where he is from in this country. So my brother, I beg to agree with you that you did not lose the election last convention in PDP because of religion. Because Muslims voted for Obasanjo twice as a president in this country. Muslims voted for Johnson 2 times, for South as Christian twice as president of this country. So I'm sorry, sir. For the person, I'm going to disagree with you on matter of religion here. Take note, please. Having said that, let me repeat again that Governor Wike, you are very dynamic, very courageous, and talk and do governor of River State, which nobody can deny you.